What happened? Oh my god! Why the road is closed? Oh, tree! Kiba Kids Club! About last night. Hi kids, it's morning. Oh my god, what happened last night? Oh, the road is closed? Oh, I think it's because of last night's storm. Yes.
We need help! I'm in a hurry! Please help!
Go!
Wow, what's up here? Oh my god! We need to help the cars! Yes, I'm agree with you! Okay, what's your idea? We need to call the truck! Oh my god.
Oh my god, what happened here?
We must call to Kiba! Hi Kiba, we need help! Are you ready, truck? Oh, storm destroyed the road? Oh my god! Idea! Yes! We must build a new road! Let's go! Cars, please move back! Yes, go back, please!
Okay, it's my turn. First, I take the tree. Now through the trash here. Okay, last tree. It's very heavy. Goodbye.
Remove the sands! Okay! Hooray! Wow! Very good! Okay! Oh, now the grass! Come, please! Stop! I collect the grass. Go! Goodbye! Come on, we must collect the stones. Uh-oh, come. Hi. Stop. Hi, kids. Bravo. Yes. It's finished. Go. Oh. Come again. Yes. Okay, go. Wow, how do I remove it? Idea. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Finished. Okay, kids, we must build a new road by together. Okay, let's go. Wow, bricks! Thank you, guys. Wow, new road. Okay, now bricks. I must put the bricks. it's finished!
Wow.
Look at here, kids! We need grass. Okay. Come on, truck. Wow, thank you. Ah. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay. What we need? Oh yes, we need a tree. Very beautiful tree. It needs some water. Okay. Woo! Come on, come and drill here. Okay. Drill here. Yes. So good. Okay, enough. Yes. Wow. Okay, go. And here. Oh. Okay, enough. Go. Bye-bye. It's finished. Now we must complete the road. Wow, Kiba, look at here. We could complete the road. Oh, signs. First one, pedestrian crossing. Kiba, when we want to cross the road, we must use the pedestrian crossing. Okay. Next one, no crossing sign. Stop sign. Stop. No honking sign. Uh-oh, don't honk. Last one, traffic light. Oh. Wow. So beautiful road. Bravo. My friend, let's cross the crosswalk. Okay. Stop, cars. Very good.
Why are you stopping? No!
Okay, traffic light is red. Stop, please. Very good. Now it's green. Go. Yes, you can move. So nice. Oh, truck, you can't enter here. Please turn back. Cars, what's up here? No honking sign. Pay attention to it. Don't honk. It's better now. Bravo. Thank you, Kiba. Now we have a law-abiding and clean street. Yoo-hoo! 1, 2, 3. Ha! Now me. Yes. Hi. Wow, here is so beautiful. Goodbye.